we go. Hey, that came off beautiful, didn't it? Okay. Now, do you want to do the front part? Which part do you want to do next?
Let's do the front part.
Front part?
I just get all that gunk off. We need a wood burner.
All right.
Where'd it go?
Yeah, cool.
Huh?
We're taking a little video. Hello. And we're cutting the mast. Oh, that went pretty quick. There's the boat.
Finished my Rain Gutter Regatta boat, and it is now sailing. Well, not yet. In a couple of hours, this boat will be sailing through a Rain Gutter Regatta race.
Okay.
And
I
it'll
love
be
the face.
and it will be smiling to the finish.
That's good. Excellent. The end. Beautiful. Beautiful. Jack, let's hear your boat. Beautiful. Awesome. Awesome boat. Great.
Back to the line is over there. Dude, he's floating water.
Boys, we're going up. We're going to get a picture of the parents. Gather up. Everybody get together. Stay in your line. Just a little closer.
Show your boat. Hold your boat up. Awesome.
Hang on, I gotta go to the ferry shop.
Hold your boats up. Come on.
Alright, double elimination here, or I don't know, what's this called? Best 2 out of 3, whatever.
Ready. Set.
Here we go.
The speed on that one.
Oh, it's gonna be a fight. Look at your mama, smile.
Break. You good? Ready to go? All right, ready. Ready.
Gotta pass out.
Don't stop going. Go. Harder. On the other side of the sail. Other side of the sail. Hey, is there a straw in there?
Is there a straw in there?
No. Can you give me another straw?
Why?
Ready.
Get ready. Ready. Hard, Jack. Go, Jack. Go, Jack. Whoa, 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 whoa,
Who got most creative?
Who got most original? Which one?
Most creative. That one got most creative.
Oh, yeah, that's a good one.
Let's see the back.
Excellent.
For donating our awards today. So first off, Elliot, third place. And Noah, completely undefeated. We will have Nicest Boater Awards tomorrow evening, as well as participation ribbons for everybody who was here.
So I'm going to leave the track up for a little while. Kids just want to play with it for a while before